Hey there, welcome back to Cool Product, your ultimate destination for finding the absolute best PC hardware and tech to build your dream setup. Today we are looking at a crucial component that will give your next computer build a massive upgrade in looks and performance. If you have been searching everywhere for the best ATX mid-tower gaming PC case, you are in the exact right place today. Let's get started. We are focusing on the incredible Antec C5 ATX mid-tower gaming PC case today. This is a modern solution for gamers and PC enthusiasts seeking both beautiful style and great functionality. Its full-view design features seamless edges on the front and side panels, creating a sleek and visually striking appearance that highlights the internal components of your build. This attention to design allows you to proudly showcase all your high-end hardware while maintaining a clean and polished aesthetic. The Antec C5 ATX mid-tower gaming PC case is engineered with a smart dual-chamber layout. This setup completely separates the main components from the power supply and drives, enhancing overall airflow and greatly improving cable management. This thoughtful design ensures that heat-generating components remain well ventilated, supporting optimal performance even during intensive gaming sessions or demanding workloads. Let us dive right into the fantastic cooling and hardware features. The case is fully compatible with back-connect motherboards, providing immense flexibility for advanced builds and high-end configurations. To make things even better, Antec has pre-installed 7 ARGB PWM fans right out of the box. This includes 6 reverse fans to deliver dynamic airflow and vibrant lighting effects throughout the interior. These fans, paired with the built-in ARGB and PWM fan controller, give users complete control over both cooling and illumination. This allows you to create a highly personalized setup that matches your exact gaming environment perfectly. Designed for enthusiasts who value both aesthetics and efficiency, this product combines cutting-edge cooling solutions with a visually stunning exterior. Its dual-chamber design, comprehensive fan system, and integrated controls make it a versatile choice for building a high-performance, eye-catching gaming rig that meets modern demands. This PC case caters perfectly to users looking to merge style, functionality, and elite cooling performance, making it a compelling option for gamers and system builders aiming for a refined and immersive computing experience. Are you ready to give your gaming rig the stunning showcase it deserves? Check the price link in the description to grab this beautiful dual-chamber case right now. Also, please do not forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more awesome PC hardware and tech videos. Thank you so much for watching, happy building, and I will see you all next time.